Hi, hello everybody. Hope all of you are fine. After many days again, I am going to make one more video on quadratic equations. How to solve these complicated quadratic equations by factorization method. Let us see this first equation. Factorization method. In factorization method, already in previous video we solved some of the questions. First we have to multiply a and c. If you multiply a and c, we get 4 into a power 4 minus b power 4, which can be written further 4 into a square plus b square into a square minus b square, because it's looking like a power 2 whole power 2 minus b power 2 whole power 2, which is looking like a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So I used that formula. So now I can write it as 2 of a square plus b square into 2 of a square minus b square. This 4 I am writing it as 2 into 2. Now I have to take two factors, one as minus 2 of a square plus b square and other is minus 2 of a square minus b square. Why I have to take like this? Because when you take only like this, when you take like this, we get minus 4a square. If you simplify this, minus 2a square minus 2b square, and the second one minus 2a square plus 2b square. So that what happens, minus 2b square plus 2b square will be cancelled. We will be having minus 4a square, which we want here in the middle term. So this is one factor, minus 2 of a square plus b square, and this is another factor, minus 2 of a square minus b square. So we have to split it now. So it will be 4x square minus 2 of a square plus b square into x minus 2 of a square minus b square into x plus a power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to 0. Now in first two terms we'll be having 2 common, also x common. Then after we are taking 2x common, we'll be having 2x minus, because 2x into 2x is 4x square. Here already 2 we have taken common, so it will be a square plus b square will be left. Again in these two, we do not have 2 common, we will be having a square minus b square common. So we will take minus of a square minus b square common, so that because we took minus of a square minus b square, 2x will be common here, 2x will be left. 2x, here a power 4 minus b power 4 is a square plus b square into a square minus b square. From that again we have taken already a square minus b square common. So minus of a square plus b square will be left inside, is equal to 0. Now again in these two we have 2x minus of a square plus b square common. Here also same. So if we take 2x minus of a square plus b square common, so that 2x minus of a square minus b square will be left, is equal to 0. So what? One time 2x minus of a square plus b square is equal to 0. One more time 2x minus of a square minus b square is equal to 0. So by this 2x is equal to a square plus b square, 2x is equal to a square minus b square. So here x is equal to a square plus b square by 2, and another root, x is equal to a square minus b square by 2. So these are the two roots of the equation. So in this problem it is important to find out the factors. So here we got factors here. This part is important. If you know how to get the factors, then it will be easy to factorize it. Now the second problem is not complicated, because here we have 2q and here p square, and in Middle term also we have same 2q and p square. So just we expand it. Then we get here 2qx square minus 2qx minus into minus plus p square x minus p square is equal to 0. Okay, now in first two terms what we have common, in next two terms what we have common, directly we can take. In first two terms you have 2q common and x common, so it is 2qx common, so we get x minus 1. In the next two terms we have p square common, so p square if you took common, x minus 1 again is equal to 0. So it's not much complicated. So you can take x minus 1 common again, x minus 1 into 2qx plus p square is equal to 0. From this one time x minus 1 is equal to 0, 2qx plus p square is equal to 0. From this x is equal to 1 or 2qx is equal to minus p square. So x is equal to minus p square by 2q. These two are the answers. One is x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus p square by 2q. Hope you understood these two problems. Let's see next one. Now let's see this third problem. Here also in product we have p square and q square. Again in the middle term we have p square plus q square. So directly you can expand. Here it will become x square minus p square x minus into plus minus q square x plus p square q square is equal to 0. So in first two terms we have x common, in the next two terms we have q square common. So you take x common, then x minus p square minus q square common, again x minus p square, because we have taken minus common, inside the brackets it will be x minus p square is equal to 0. So what it is, x minus p square common again, x minus p square into x minus q square is equal to 0. So it is one time x minus p square is equal to 0 or x minus q square is equal to 0, which gives us x is equal to p square or x is equal to q square. So we got two roots. Now let's see question number 4. Here also if we multiply ab into ab we get a square b square, and in the middle term we have minus a square minus b square. So it is better to expand directly. So it is what, abx square minus a square x minus b square x plus ab is equal to 0. Now in the first two terms we have ax common, in the next two terms we have only b common. So if you take a and x common in the first two terms, bx will be left, bx minus a, and in the next two terms we have b common, so minus b we have to take common. So again bx, because minus we have taken common, minus a will be left inside. So what it is left, bx minus a is common again, so bx minus a into ax minus b is equal to 0. So one time bx minus a is equal to 0, ax minus b is equal to 0. So what it is, bx is equal to a or ax is equal to b, x is equal to a by b or x is equal to b by a. This is also a simple one. Hope you understood this. This is another quadratic equation. So let's make it into standard form first. So it is a into x square plus a into 1a is equal to x into a square plus x into 1x. Now let us transpose these two terms left side. It will be ax square plus a minus xa square minus x is equal to 0. Now it is ax square minus x square a plus it is minus x plus a is equal to 0. In first two terms we have it's I have written a small mistake here. So now what it is, ax square minus xa square plus a. Let us write it in standard form. First x square term should come, that is ax square, correct. The next term should come minus x minus xa square. Then constant term should come, plus a is equal to 0. Now in first two we have x common, then the result will be ax minus 1. In the next two terms we have a common, so minus a common. Then we will be having ax minus 1 is equal to 0. So what it is left, ax minus 1 common. If we take ax minus 1 common, x minus a will be left is equal to 0. So what it is, ax minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus a is equal to 0. So ax is equal to 1 by this, x is equal to 1 by a, or x is equal to a. So these are the roots here. And here also we are getting 4a square b square. After multiplication we get like this, 4a square b square x square. But in the middle we want 4ab only. So we write this 4a square b square as 2ab again 2ab. So factors are 2abx again 2abx. So we can split it as a square x square plus 2abx again plus 2abx plus 4b square is equal to 0. Now in first two terms we have a common. So if you take a common, ax plus 2b. In the next two terms we have 2b common, and again ax plus 2b is equal to 0. So what it is, ax plus 2b common, then it will be left, okay, here not only a but also x. In this not only a, ax common. So it is ax plus 2b again is equal to 0. So ax plus 2b is equal to 0, or again ax plus 2b is equal to 0. Here again I forgot to write x. So what it is, ax. So x is equal to minus 2b by a, or again x is equal to minus 2b by a. So here roots are equal. Here roots are equal in this equation. Now let's see another one. Now here also we are getting 4a square b square, but directly here we are getting, if you expand, minus 2a square minus 2b square. So let us expand it directly. So we get 4x square minus 2a square x minus 2b square x plus a square b square is equal to 0. In the first two terms we have 2x common, so that 2x minus a square will be left. In the next two terms we have b square common, so it will be 2x minus a square again is equal to 0. So what it is, 2x minus a square into 2x minus b square is equal to 0. So it is 2x minus a square is equal to 0, or 2x minus b square is equal to 0. So x is equal to a square by 2, or x is equal to b square by 2. These are the roots of the equation. Now let's see this one. Here 20 factors we have to take, minus 20 q square x square. 20 factors are minus 10 into plus 2, minus 20 qx plus 2qx. So we have to split it as p square x square minus 10qx, 10pqx, 10pqx. Okay, here I have written wrong, this also. It is not only 20q square, it is 20p square q square x. So minus 10pqx plus 2pqx are the factors. So minus 10pqx plus 2pqx minus 20q square is equal to 0. Now in first two terms we have p and x both common. So one more px will be left minus here 10q will be left plus in these two 2q is left. So that what will be left, px minus q square is there. So minus 2 tens 10q is equal to 0. So again px minus 10q is left common. Inside the brackets px plus 2q will be left is equal to 0. So one time px minus 10q is equal to 0 or px plus 2q is equal to 0. So that is x is equal to 10q by p or x is equal to minus 2q by p. These are the roots of the quadratic equation. So some of the equations complicated without numbers, a b terms, pq terms, how to solve I explained. In the next video we will discuss if equations are there like this, how to factorize it, how to find the roots by factorization method. Hope this video will help you to understand complicated equations how to solve by factorization method. Thank you. Let's solve this problem. So here we should take LCM first. Then after taking LCM it becomes x minus a into x minus a whole square plus here these two will be multiplied, x minus b into x minus b whole square by in the denominator x minus b into x minus a is equal to, this side also we will take LCM, a into a square plus b into b square by a into b. Now we will expand it by using a minus b whole square formula. X minus a whole square is x square plus a square minus 2ax plus similarly this one x square plus b square minus 2bx by denominator we should multiply it, x into x square, x into minus a minus ax minus b into x minus bx minus into minus plus ab is equal to, we write here a square plus b square by ab. Now we will simplify it, x square plus x square 2x square then minus 2ax minus 2bx plus remaining what it is left over, a square plus b square, and down it is x square. If you take minus x common, minus of a plus b into x plus ab is equal to a square plus b square by ab. Still if you simplify further it is 2x square minus, you can take x common here, minus 2 of a plus b into x plus a square plus b square by x square minus of a plus b into x plus ab is equal to a square plus b square by ab. Now we do cross multiplication. Then if you do cross multiplication we get 2abx square. This ab will be multiplied everywhere over here. Here we multiply ab everywhere. Then we get 2abx square minus 2ab into a plus b into x plus ab into a square plus b square. This is when we multiply these two we get the result. Now similarly we have to multiply these two also. Then we get here is equal to what we get, x square into a square plus b square. A square plus b square will be multiplied everywhere, minus a square plus b square into a plus b into x, then plus ab into a square plus b square. So if you observe here we have ab into a square plus b square, here also ab into a square plus b square. So we can cancel these two, both the sides. So that is cancelled. Now remaining leftover thing is what? 2ab x square minus 2ab into a plus b into x is equal to x square into a square plus b square minus a square plus b square into a plus b into x. Now we transpose both the terms other side, that side, then we get x square into a square plus b square minus 2ab, not minus 2ab, minus a square plus b square into a plus b into x. Now these terms, if you transpose that side, minus 2ab x square minus, if you transpose that side, become plus. So plus 2ab into a plus b into x is equal to 0. Now here x square term we have, here also x square term we have. So if you take x square term common, if we take x square term common, x square into a square plus b square minus 2ab. Similarly, x term also we take common. If you take a plus b we have here a plus b we have, a plus b x we have, here also a plus b x we have. So now what we take, a plus b x we take common. So minus of a plus b into x, if you take common, inside the brackets what will be there, a square plus b square. Here because we took minus common, it will become minus 2ab is equal to 0. Now if you observe, again we have a square plus b square minus 2ab is common in both. Here a square plus b square minus 2ab, here also a square plus b square minus 2ab. We take a square plus b square minus 2ab common, that is nothing but a minus b whole square. In both we have a minus b whole square common. A minus b whole square if you take common, inside what will be left, x square minus of a plus b into x is equal to 0. Now if you transpose this a minus b whole square that side, 0 by a minus b whole square, which is 0. So only this will be left, x square minus a plus b into x is equal to 0. In these two we can take again x common, x of x minus of a plus b is equal to 0, which is x is equal to 0, x minus of a plus b is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to a plus b. Hope you understood this solution. Thank you.